Hi everyone, my name is Alan. It's on the way to the Summer Palace. You can see a lot of cars on the street. Like 2 months ago, it's totally different. Because of the COVID-19, Wuhan city was locked down, and everyone in Beijing needs stay at home, quarantine. At that time, almost no people, no cars on the street. So at that time, actually, I missed a traffic jam. I never thought I'm gonna miss a traffic jam, but now it's totally different. You can see a lot of cars and a lot of restaurants reopened, a lot of places we can go to visit, and a lot of shopping malls are full of people, and students go back to school to study. It's good. It seems our life come back to normal. This is the main entrance to the Summer Palace. And now you can see it's a good time. Not a lot of people. In Beijing in the summertime, it's pretty hot. So the emperor and empress, they would love to spend 2 or 3 months here, because here is much cooler. A lot of trees, and there's a big lake in the center. It's called Kunming Lake. Summer Palace lies northwest of Beijing, about 20 kilometers away from the center of the city. It covers an area of 290 hectares, about 3/4 of which is covered by the lake, Kunming Lake. And in front of us, this is a Longevity Hill. Summer Palace was first built at the beginning of the 12th century, during the Jin Dynasty. But at that time, here's just a small pond. And later, during the Qing Dynasty, they rebuilt this garden, especially the Dragon Lady. She moved the fence intended to the Navy to rebuild this garden. This is a Dragon Lady's courtyard. In her courtyard, here's interesting rock, family bankruptcy rock. A Ming official found a strange rock on the street. He wanted to shape it to his own garden, but it didn't succeed because of the financial problem. So this guy got bankrupt. So later this rock got nicknamed Family Bankruptcy Rock. Now we arrived at the long corridor, 728 meters long. Lot of paintings on it, very beautiful. They built this long corridor for the emperor and empress to enjoy the view of the lake, even in the rainy day. The last part is a marble boat, but this part you need to come to see yourself.